Okay, we're going to talk about slide presentations, and specifically we're going to talk about the theme. But before we do that, we're going to talk about a few things within slides. The first thing is when you start with a new slide presentation, it comes up as an untitled presentation, so you want to make sure that you add a title. Second, you're going to be given one slide to start with. To add additional slides, we're going to just use the plus new slide button. Okay, as long as this is highlighted, I have that slide on my workspace. This becomes completely editable. Everything here is editable. If I'm not editing anything on the screen at the moment, you can see that I have the ability to change layout, background, theme, etc. So let's look at how I got that theme and what that means. When I select theme, I have the option on the right to scroll to select the theme that I want to use. In selecting a theme, that means everything in the layout, in the presentation, will follow the color scheme, the font style, all of that that's attached to that theme. So you can see that as I selected a different theme, all of my slides have now changed to look a little bit different. Okay, so if I put that back the way I had it, the first slide choice that I made, I like that a little bit better, so I'm going to stick with it. As I move through my presentation, everything is already set up for me to follow that format. So the layout is defaulted to having a title and a body of text. In slide number 3, if I decide to change that layout because I don't want just a body of text here, maybe I want to have two columns, if you will, I can select and change that layout. If I want to just have an entire image, I could just go with blank, and then I could create text boxes throughout my slide and put them where I like them to be. The other thing you can do is change the background. Now, if you are using a theme, I would be careful about changing the background because the theme has a specific color scheme in mind, but you can do it. And when you select the color options, you can see the theme maintains these color options. That's what they have decided will look best to work together. So you can select from one of those. Again, just be cautious that you don't create something that's too wacky and not pleasant to your viewer's eye.